Hey guys, this is Paul from WMR Racing Development in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to continue on our series of videos about how to read codes with the Maptuner Nano. We're going to focus on a 125cc two-stroke TBI model. This is a 2024 Husqvarna. We get a lot of questions about people having issues with their exhaust power valve. These two-stroke TBI engines come equipped with an exhaust servo motor that operates your power valve. It makes the power valve flap slide up or down, changing the geometry and the shape of your exhaust port. We're going to show you how to read the code, what the code means, and what to look for. At this point, we want to establish a connection between your Nano and your phone. You want to press the button on the Nano until the blue LED starts flashing, and then click Connect on your phone. Choose Maptuner and Connect. Once you're connected, the first thing you want to do is add the vehicle. In this case, the vehicle was previously registered. If it's a brand new vehicle that you're adding to your Nano, simply press OK and follow the prompts. Once the vehicle has been added, remember to synchronize. Once the vehicle has been added to your Nano, we can go back to the main dashboard. So click No on Select Tuning Files Now. Now we're back to the main dashboard. To double check and make sure that the vehicle has been added to your Nano, click on My Vehicles, and you should see it active on the top. Let's go back. Now if we want to read the trouble codes, we press Service, Fault Codes, and Read. And there you have it, exhaust valve circuit high. When you see a code like this, P1403, exhaust valve circuit high, the first thing you want to do is check your power valve main connector. Your exhaust power valve servo motor could fail due to the following: corroded terminals, broken wires, a disconnected main connector at the power valve itself, or a faulty internal gear component. Once you've found the problem and after you correct it, go ahead and clear the codes. And there you have it, no fault codes present. This fuel-injected motorcycle has a multitude of sensors all over the bike and tons of wiring going through it. The Maptuner Nano helps you narrow down your path and tells you what system to look for. If you didn't have a Maptuner Nano, you would have to check every single sensor, every connector, and look at every bit of wiring on your bike until you find the problem. But the beauty about this tool is that it allows you to track down and narrow down your path. It's never going to tell you exactly what the problem is. Sometimes you get lucky and it tells you something and that's exactly what it is. But most of the time, it'll narrow down the troubleshooting procedure to one isolated system. Now, with your basic knowledge and your basic tools, you can go in and troubleshoot that system and you will find the problem within that system. I guarantee it. Keep following us for more Maptuner Nano, code reading, and troubleshooting videos. Thank you and have a blessed day.